for all of them were stuck down there. We got the previous arrangement we made for them to get up here didn't work. So we tried a couple of them till we finally decided on to use the bulldozer to drag them here. So almost about 2 weeks, the containers were stuck down there, and we dragged all of them one up here.
Up here. That's very interesting. Yeah. So in the 2 weeks, you were able to get all 6 up here?
Oh, yeah. No, it's not actually 6. It's 12 containers.
Okay, because you have...
So each unit consists of two shipping containers, 20-footer container up and a 40-footer container down. And the base, which is the foundation that's sitting on, which we are using as a kitchen, was built. So it's the kitchen, the 40-footer. The 40-footer is... 1 bedroom, self-contained, with your hall and everything. Then the upstairs doesn't have a hall, but it's a bedroom with your toilet and bath, and you also have a very big balcony to enjoy the view.
The view, because it's all about the views.
It's all about the view,
It's beautiful here. Okay, but then tell me why you guys decided to go for concrete at the base. Is there a specific reason why you didn't do containers throughout?
Okay, so basically, the reason why we did concrete was the nature of the land.
Okay.
The land wasn't flat, as you can see. Even we worked on it. We've actually worked on it a lot before you were able to have it like this.
Okay.
So the land was in such a way that at the top was a bit high, and the sloping is also very steep. So to be able to position the containers in such a way that we wanted all the containers to be aligned, as you can see. We didn't want some of them to be down, some of them to be up. So basically the whole, the conclusion was to create a foundation based on the slope of the land, because with the bricks and mortar, we can actually work around the slope to get a very uniform alignment. So that's why we decided to use the blocks for the base, so that we can get that alignment, and the containers will come and sit so that all of them will be
on the same level.
Thank you.
Okay. So before we go inside, let's talk a bit about the structure itself, the exterior. Let's talk about the materials that you used over here. So we can see that you've cladded the container with the wood finish. Tell us why you decided to do that. Does it have anything to do with the area that we're in?
We actually cladded this whole project because of 3 reasons. First of all, because of the beauty, to add beauty to the whole container. Secondly, to also provide insulation, to provide the heat barrier, and also to provide protection for the container against the rust, because the project is quite close to the sea. So during the night, the breeze, already has got a lot of salt in it. So to break that barrier so that the breeze doesn't get direct contact with the container, that's why you put the cladding around it.
So Eric, we see that you only have planters with a few plants inside. Is there a specific reason why you don't have a bit more greenery in the space?
Like I said, this place was a virgin land. There was so little development when we started this project, and since it's a mountainous area, it has a lot of scorpions and snakes around. There was a lot of scorpions and snakes when we were working and all that. So the owner of the project, and also per my advice, we decided to limit every plant in here for now, so that as development, and also we'll be doing a lot of fumigation to actually push them away and reduce the snakes and scorpions within this area. Then later, so we actually made allocations for some few places that we'll be planting, but we decided to cement the whole place. When the time is up, we will dig in there, then we'll plant the trees.
Okay. So currently, how are you taking care of that situation? You spray the area
we do a lot of fumigation, like almost every month. Every month we do 2 times. Like we fumigate the place 2 times in a month. And when we started, even it was like once a week. Once a week. Because the whole place was quite
filled with all these
bush. There was a lot of bushes around and all that. So they were all around. But as you can see, people have started developing since this project came here. There's a lot of development going around.